want the cereal.
I put it right there.
I want milk in it. Can you put milk in it, please?
You gotta measure your spoon.
I already did.
Where's your spoon? You got it?
It's on my table. Put some milk in it.
Do you want to get the yogurt out, Isaac?
Mommy! Mommy!
What, sweetie?
I want to get some chips.
You want milk?
Yeah. Can I get some chips, please, Mommy?
You will. What is it, Isaac? Do you want me to close the refrigerator?
No, it's a picture of me.
No picture of you?
Yeah.
Why not?
Oh my.
Come on, Isaac. Oh. I'm getting your yogurt, little one. Here.
Get my spoon, Mommy.
I got you a spoon. Is that good?
No.
Why not? Why isn't it good?
No. Right there, okay, Mommy? Now, we need this side right now.
Okay.
What are you going to take a picture of?
I'm just looking at you through the frame. I was trying to get Isaac to say his little line he says, but he wasn't saying it.
Why not?
Oh.
At last, do we have strawberry yogurt?
Yeah, I went and got some at the store. You guys do a good job eating.
I want you to give me a rat, please.
Okay.
Oh,
Gracie. Hey. Hey, Gracie. You gonna give a smile? You gonna give a smile? Hey. You cutie.